Make beautiful sunflowers out of pipe cleaners in just a few simple steps. For this project, you will need 7 yellow pipe cleaners, 1 brown pipe cleaner, 2 green pipe cleaners, and a ruler. To make the center, take the end of the brown pipe cleaner and coil it around tight and flat until the center is just a hair over 1 inch across. Fold the stem back and then straight down so that the end of the pipe cleaner is in the middle of the center. To make the petals, start by folding 1 yellow pipe cleaner in half. Add the tail of the center in the V that you just made. Wrap one end around the tail once to hold it securely in place. Measure 1 inch from the end of one side and make a tight fold down, and then keep folding the pipe cleaner down to form a petal. So you want to keep it flat and pinch the end of it so that it's a little bit of a V shape. On the 4th fold, the edge of the petal will go just behind the center. That's right where you want it. So turn the petal flat towards the center and then give it a little curl up. Now do the same thing for the other side, measuring 1 inch from the end and then folding down 4 times till you reach the petal. Do the same thing with the next 3 yellow pipe cleaners so that when you are finished you have a total of 8 petals. Arrange the petals around the center so that they're evenly spaced. Now we're going to do a second row of petals the same way, but behind the first layer. So use the rest of your yellow pipe cleaners to make these petals. Once you're finished making petals, be sure that they're evenly distributed, and then we're going to make the stem. So turn your flower over and bend a hook in one of the green pipe cleaners. Hook it close to the petals. This part's a little bit tricky, but you want to wrap it around tight right below the petals to keep everything in place about 4 or 5 times. Now start wrapping the rest of the pipe cleaner down the brown stem. You want to make coils close together so that they cover the brown completely. Keep going until you have about 1 inch of the brown stem left. Now take the other green pipe cleaner and form a leaf by bending it in half. Then bend 1/2 of it in half so that you can see the halfway point. Take it back out, bend it down once to the halfway point, again, and one more time till you get the middle of the pipe cleaner. Pinch both ends to make a nice leaf shape, bend it out slightly. Now bend the remaining stem up to meet the bottom of the leaf. Hold the leaf up against the brown stem, right where you stopped twisting the other pipe cleaner, and coil the rest of the original pipe cleaner around and around to hold everything together and cover the brown. Keep going until you run out of pipe cleaner, and then twist the whole end a little bit. Bend the leaf into place so it looks good, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.